Okay, so it's a new week and a new install. Today, we're going to be installing these airbags on this 2010 Ram dually. Let's go. So it's about -10, and as you can see, the dually's too long to fit in the garage. So I got to keep the garage door open today. Oh well, let's get it done. These are the tools that I'm going to be using today. I've got a 5.5 mil Allen, a 6 mil Allen. I got a 15 mil socket, a 14 mil socket, a 14 mil wrench, and a 13 mil wrench. I'm also going to use an air ratchet and an impact just to make this stuff a little bit quicker. So the kit I got is the Airlift Load Lifter 5000. I'm using the 57295, but I think it's the same for all of these. I've got the passenger side installed already. Then we're going to do the driver, but it's the same for both sides. We're going to get this airbag pre-assembled before we put it in the truck. All I've done is I've screwed in the air fitting with a 13, and then you're going to want to take the plate, put that on like that, and then next, the kit comes with two plates that look really similar. But as you can tell, these holes are a bit closer together than these ones. So this is the one we need for the airbag. That's going to go like that. And then we've got these two 5.5 mil I'm just going to snug those up. Next, we're going to flip the airbag over, and we're going to grab this plate, put it on like that. Then we're going to grab these two long bolts. These are going to go through, and this is going to sit on there. And then you're going to take bolt with your two washers, lock washer and the flat washer, and then you're just going to snug these up finger tight. You don't want to tighten them yet because you still want some movement, and then these will just kind of hang down. And then that's pretty much all we can do for pre-assembly. And we're going to take our other plate with two 6 mil bolts, and we're going to go under the truck. Okay, next we got to take out the bump stop, which is the 15 mil. Okay, then we're going to take our plate. We're going to bolt the plate up. Okay, now just setting the airbag in place, but we need a little more room to get it in there. So what we're going to have to do is jack up the truck a bit and give ourselves a little bit more room. Okay, next we're going to take short carriage bolts, slip it with a washer and a nut. Okay, then we're going to take the bottom piece with the two washers and two nuts. And we're also going to take the U-bolt and fish it in from the back. Oh yeah. Now that we got this all in place, we're just going to start tightening these up. Alright, once you got them all snugged up, let's listen. Tighten these up. Alright, once you got all the other bolts tightened, the ones up there, and all of these, you want to go under here and tighten up these. And a ratcheting wrench works great for this. Okay, I got this little bracket installed, and this is just going to hold the airline hookups. Okay, now we're going to install the airline. So you just put one nut in the star washer, slip it through there, then you go with the rubber gasket, and then regular washer, and then nut. Okay, got both of them installed. Looking good. Got the lines ran. There's also a heat shield bracket for the exhaust, but my exhaust is non-existent at the back, so I don't need a heat shield at the moment. So now we'll just air these up and make sure there's no leaks. About 50 psi. Alright, so that about wraps it up for the install of this airbag kit on the old dually here. Super simple, easy install, straightforward. But I'm gonna get back inside because it's damn cold out here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.